Welcome, welcome.
Yeah.
Guys, today we are gonna cook meatballs with mackerel, black olives, mackerel, guys, from the can. Nothing fancy, you don't have to go to the seafood market, from the can. We are in quarantine, so we need to cook what we have at home. I'm gonna show you how. The ingredients that you need for this recipe are very simple, stuff that you for sure have already at home. I'm gonna tell you what you need. The ingredients for today's recipe are 4 potatoes, which I have already boiled, and we will take the skin off, lots and lots of parsley, bit of garlic, our passata rustica, tomato passata, lots of black olives, which I love, about 400 grams of mackerel, as I said, nothing fancy, from the can is fine, and some pecorino cheese, grated pecorino. Okay, Aurora?
Okay.
Pan is hot and we pour some oil, because the first thing that we're gonna do is we will prepare our tomato sauce. So
I give all these. So, but if you don't need so I can get all of these.
okay, but now we start with the tomato sauce.
Yeah.
First thing, olive oil is well hot and we put the aglio, and we let it go. And also I put the stem of my parsley in there, and you let this thing go for a few minutes before adding the passata rustica. What's up?
Yeah.
I did this. Okay, then in the meanwhile, while this is going, we have removed the skin from our boiled potatoes, and now what we're gonna do in here, Aurora? Mash. Okay, mash, vai, mash. Wow. While Aurora is mashing the potatoes, this is frying. We decrease the heat and we keep working on the mashing. Look at this. Bravo, Aurora. We tilt the pan and we let the parsley stems and the garlic fry in the nice oil. Look at this, that's what we want. And after a few minutes, when the garlic is golden, we can remove it. Not yet.
Yeah, not yet.
The smell is phenomenal.
So,
And now we,
going to this.
yes, now we put the tomato sauce, la passata.
Mix it. I'm going to mix it.
In a while, that's it. This is our tomato sauce. Now, low heat, we can remove the garlic because it has done its job. And we can decrease the heat, and we can let the sauce cook while we focus on creating the meatballs that then we will let dive into this tomato sauce ocean. Look at this. So let it cook, low heat. We come back to this. Guys, I keep saying meatballs, but these are fish balls. So I received a correction from the camera lady. She's right. These are not meatballs. These are fish balls. Okay, Aurora? Sono fish balls. The potatoes are mashed. Now we need to add in here our ingredients plus an egg, which I forgot to mention before, but we will need. Yeah, that's egg that we
Yeah.
need. I'm gonna
Crack it.
crack it.
Yeah, crack is my favorite. What does it like it?
Then we put our mackerel
Yeah, I like it.
from the can. From the can. This is about 400 grams of mackerel. We put in here. Look how much fish is there. Beautiful, beautiful. We take some of our olives and we chop them finely.
Yeah.
Okay? We want to leave some for the sauce and some to mix with the potatoes. Le battiamo un po'.
Mommy.
We
how
chop
about
them. We chop them. Va bene?
Yeah.
We chop them
Yeah.
slowly with the knife. Look at this. Beautiful. And we mix them with the potatoes. The sauce is going. Don't forget to stir the sauce, every now and then. Otherwise you burn it. The smell. Do you like the smell of olives, Aurora? No? You don't like? Va bene. Now we do the same with the parsley. We chopped it. Vedi Aurora?
Yeah.
Tu puoi tagliare il parsley?
No, no, no.
Why
I'm
not?
too big girl.
You're not yet a big girl, so you can't really chop it because otherwise, what happens? Chop your finger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do we want to chop your finger?
No.
Brava.
Only the seaweed.
Only the seaweed, which seaweed, guys, you need to know, is oregano. Is oregano in Aurora's language. But today we are using parsley.
Yeah.
That's it.
There.
Now a bit of salt with this, a bit of pepper, and the last touch is a bit of pecorino cheese, because we cannot do any fish ball, any meatball, anything with potatoes without using a bit of pecorino. Not too much, but enough. And now we mix, è vero Aurora?
Yeah, we are ahead.
Con le mani.
Yeah, I got cut.
You can't.
No, only Papa. I cut.
Only Papa? What are you mixing?
The sugar.
Are you mixing the sugo?
Yes, and the vegetable.
At the prezzemolo?
Yes,
Okay.
and the pepper.
We are ready now to make the fish ball. Aurora is playing with her balloon. So this is the kind of size that we expect. We make a few of this sort of meatball, fish balls actually. These are our fish balls, rough, different dimensions, different shape, it's all good. Now we put them here with our sauce, and we just put the sauce on top of the meatballs, or the fish balls. I keep saying meatballs, guys, I don't know why. So we do this a bit like this. We try to distantiate them a bit, and then we keep covering them in the sauce. Now we put the lid on for a few minutes. We keep an eye on these guys. In maybe 5-10 minutes, we see we will turn them, we will stir them a bit in maybe 5-10 minutes. Look at this, 10 minutes more or less, a bit less. We're gonna add now some olives, because this will add extra taste. We do the parsley on top. Now we close the lid for another 2 minutes and we are ready to eat after this. And we are ready to try fantastic fish balls. Look at this. Wow. Mettiamo 2 olivette anche. What do you think? What do you think? Look at this. Let's try. How soft they are. Fish balls, mackerel, potatoes, pecorino in tomato sauce. How easy were they? Fantastic. And the black olives. That's how it's done in Italia. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the recipe.